guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies, and I have done this video 2 times already, so let's not be the third time. Third time is a charm. So I have all these squishies and I have tons. One is homemade that I made myself today, and some I'm going to get tomorrow. So let's get onto this video. Okay, we're back, and the first one is this ice cream cone, and it is pink. It's very pretty. I like it, and I just love it. Here, let me do it this way. And it's a fast riser, so it's fun to squeeze, if you're really stressed and you just need to squeeze something. So yeah, this is just a perfect squishy, and I love it so much. So thank you, Ellie, for giving me all these squishies except the one I'm about to show you. Okay, the next one is this one, and this is homemade. This one is from I don't know how long I made this. I have this squishy, and I made it probably today. Yeah. But it's squishy, I know that. I just wanted something to squeeze. So, whoop. The next little mini one, I'm going to go by sizes, so, yeah. But this one is a strawberry, and it's so cute. I'm going to probably use it for say if I want to use it for a top thing, so I can put it on my pencil, and then when I get really stressed, I just squeeze it. Oh. Came off. When I get really stressed, I could just squeeze it, because it has a little hole on the top, and I know that's not probably used for that, but why not? But this squishy is so cute and so mini. I'll probably give this to my little cousin, because she loves squishies. Loves squishies. And so this one is a little it's been through a lot. One ear is missing. This one is about to come off. This is a little about to come off, and this is about to come off. It has a little keychain, so if you want to hook up to your backpack. But it's a pretty good size, and it's very squishy. So I like this slime. I'm so used to saying slime. Squishy. So yeah. Let's go into the next one. The next, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And these are amazing slimes. I saved the best for last. Hang on, I saved the best for last. So let's go. This one is a unicorn, and it's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so squishable, and it's so cute, so I recommend this one. The next one is the same thing, and it's a little donut. I think it's a little donut with ears and chocolate with sprinkles. But it's very slow rising, and I just love it so much. I love it. And ice cream cone. This is one of the best categories. I like this one. And then the biggest one of all is hamburger, and if you see a blue spot, it's probably because I spilled some Tide on it. So yeah, so it's very squishable, and it's very big. So, and it is slow rising. So dab on those haters. Bye guys, subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to be a part of the Rose Squad. Bye y'all.